Today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Epic Games Launcher on your computer or laptop. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support the content. First, go to the official Epic Games website. To do this, open a new browser tab and search for Epic Games on Google. Usually, the first result is the correct one. Click it and make sure you're on the official Epic Games page, which is store.epicgames.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top right corner and click the blue Download button. After clicking it, a file called Epic Installer will start downloading to your computer. This is the installer for the Epic Games Launcher. When the download finishes, simply double-click the file or open your Downloads folder and run it from there. The Epic Games Installer window will now appear. Here, you can choose where you'd like Epic Games to be installed on your computer by clicking Change. I'll keep the default location, but feel free to select another folder if you prefer. Once you've chosen the install location, click Install, and the Epic Games Launcher will begin downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, Epic Games will automatically open on your computer. To continue, you'll need to sign in or create an account. You can log in using Google, Steam, or other available options. If you don't have an account yet, click Create an Account and you'll be redirected to the Epic Games website to register. After creating your account, enter your email and password to sign in. Once logged in, you'll be inside the Epic Games Store, where you can browse and download many games, such as Fortnite. For example, to download Fortnite, simply use the search bar at the top and type Fortnite. Click on the game, and when the page loads, select Install. You can also access all your owned games by clicking Library on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all the games in your Epic Games account. In my case, I have games like Payday, Overcooked, and Fortnite. To install any game, just click Install, choose the folder, and click Install again, and the download will start automatically. And that's how you download and use the Epic Games Launcher on your computer or laptop. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.